questions over the break, a couple of announcements, and we'll go from there. Generating synergy, the power of teamwork. Number one, you got to know your mission. Why do we exist? What's our core purpose? Number two, we got to define our guiding principles. What are our constants? What's not going to change? Number three, we got to understand our competition, the forces against us, both internally and externally. What are the barriers? Empowerment's about removing barriers. It's not about adding on more. It's about taking barriers away. We got to challenge your assumptions. This is often where organizations get into the most trouble, not because people are doing things ineffectively, but because the assumptions are flawed. Businesses don't go out of business because a person messes up, typically. They go out of business because the systems the people are using are messed up. You've got to challenge the assumptions driving the systems and behavior. And then you have to align those systems, structures, and people to that mission and guiding principles. You've got to ask the question, are we consistent? Are we walking the talk? Because where we're inconsistent, the systems and behavior and structures and reward systems will speak loudest, much louder than the talk. So we really have to use the mission and guiding principles as a foundation for everything else we do. And finally, despite all of that, we got to manage differences. We got to understand and empathize with one another and manage the diversity in any team that we should welcome and embrace. So we've got to manage the differences. 7 key points to generating the power of teamwork. All of this is gone into in much greater detail and illustrations on each of the 17 principles and perception warp in the book Pulling Together, which you've got.